How to become a YouTuber step-by-step guide. What's up everybody? It's your boy Ron here. And let me tell you, becoming a YouTuber is like winning the golden ticket to awesomeness. But listen, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. You gotta put in the work, be creative, and be strategic about it. Don't worry though, I got you covered. In this video, I'm gonna break down exactly how to become a YouTuber step-by-step, just like we do it at Beastburger. We're talking about finding your niche, making killer content, and turning those views into straight-up cash. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's do this. Picking your winning ticket. Choosing your niche. Alright, first things first, we gotta figure out what you're gonna be known for on YouTube. This is a crucial step because it sets the foundation for your entire channel. Without a clear niche, your content might end up being all over the place, and that can confuse your audience. This is your niche, your specialty, the thing that's gonna make people say, "Yo, have you seen Ron's channel?" It's what will make you stand out in the vast sea of content creators. Think of it as your unique selling point, the reason why people will choose to watch your videos over someone else's. It's all about your niche, and it's fire. Your niche should be something that excites you, something that you can talk about endlessly without getting bored. When you're passionate about your niche, it shows in your content, and that passion is infectious. Your viewers will feel it and keep coming back for more. Think about what you're passionate about, what you're good at, and what people actually want to watch. It's a sweet spot where your interests, skills, and audience demand intersect. Maybe you love cooking and have a knack for creating delicious recipes. Or perhaps you're a fitness enthusiast who can inspire others to lead a healthier lifestyle. Are you all about those vlogs, documenting your life like Casey Neistat? Vlogging can be a great way to connect with your audience on a personal level. Sharing your daily experiences, thoughts, and adventures can make your viewers feel like they're a part of your journey. Maybe you're a tech whiz, unboxing the latest gadgets like Marque Brownlee. Tech reviews are always in demand because people are constantly looking for the latest and greatest in technology. If you can provide insightful and honest reviews, you'll quickly build a loyal following. Or maybe you're a gaming legend, racking up those victory royales. The gaming community on YouTube is massive, and if you're skilled at a particular game or have a unique gaming style, you can attract a dedicated audience. Live streaming your gameplay or creating tutorials can also add value to your channel. Whatever it is, make sure it gets you hyped because that energy is contagious. When you're genuinely excited about your content, it resonates with your viewers. They'll feel your enthusiasm and be more likely to engage with your videos, leave comments, and share your content with others. So, take your time to choose a niche that truly excites you and aligns with your strengths. This is your winning ticket to YouTube success. Check one, check two, check. Building your dream studio, not really just your channel. Okay, you've got your niche. Now it's time to build your YouTube crib. First up, you need a Google account. Don't worry, it's free and easy. Think of it like the key to the YouTube mansion. Once you're in, it's time to customize your channel. This is where you make it your own. Add some sweet channel art, a catchy banner, and a killer profile picture. And don't forget the bio. This is your chance to tell people what your channel is all about and why they should subscribe. Make it pop. Planning your content. The blueprint to YouTube success. Alright, listen up. This is where the real work begins. If you want to make it big on YouTube, you need to start with a solid plan. This isn't just about jotting down a few ideas here and there. It's about creating a comprehensive strategy that will guide your content creation process from start to finish. You gotta plan your content, and I'm not talking about some half-baked ideas scribbled on a napkin. I'm talking about detailed notes, thorough research, and a clear vision of what you want to achieve. Use planning apps, notebooks, or whatever tools work best for you, but make sure you have a clear roadmap. We're talking about a full-blown content schedule, just like the ones we use for Mr. Beast. This means planning out your videos weeks, or even months in advance. Know what you're going to film, when you're going to film it, and when you're going to upload it. This level of organization is crucial for staying consistent and keeping your audience engaged. Research trending topics in your niche, see what's popping off, and hop on those trends like a boss. This means spending time on YouTube, social media, and other platforms to see what people are talking about. Use tools like Google Trends, YouTube Analytics, and social media insights to identify popular topics and incorporate them into your content strategy. But remember, consistency is key. It's not enough to just create great content, you need to do it consistently. This means setting a regular upload schedule and sticking to it. Whether it's once a week, twice a week, or even daily, make sure your audience knows when to expect new content from you. You gotta be delivering that fresh content on the regular if you want people coming back for more. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and creating content that resonates with them. The more you interact with your viewers, the more loyal they will become. And don't forget about YouTube Shorts. These bite-sized videos are a fantastic way to reach a wider audience and keep your content fresh and exciting. They're perfect for quick updates, behind-the-scenes looks, or just fun, engaging content that doesn't require a lot of time to produce. These bite-sized videos are blowing up right now, so jump on that wave and ride it to the top. Keep experimenting with different formats, styles, and topics to see what resonates with your audience. The more you experiment, the more you'll learn about what works and what doesn't, and the better your content will become. So get out there, start planning, and make your mark on YouTube. Now it's time to get your hands dirty and start filming. Don't worry, you don't need a fancy Hollywood studio to make awesome videos. Just grab your phone or a decent camera, find some good lighting. Natural light is your best friend, and make sure your audio is crystal clear. No one wants to listen to muffled sounds, am I right? When it comes to editing, there are tons of free tools out there like CapCut, KineMaster, or even DaVinci Resolve if you're feeling fancy. Add some text, transitions, sound effects, and background music to keep things interesting. Remember, you want to keep your viewers engaged, so keep it snappy and don't be afraid to experiment. Chapter 5. Cracking the YouTube Algorithm, Optimization Secrets Revealed. Okay, you've got your awesome videos ready to go, but now you gotta make sure people actually see them. This is where the magic of optimization comes into play. It's not just about creating great content, it's about making sure that content gets discovered by the right audience. This is where optimization comes in. Optimization is like the secret sauce that can take your video from being just another upload to a viral sensation. It involves a series of strategic steps that help your video get noticed by both the YouTube algorithm and your target audience. Think of it like putting on a flashy outfit for your videos so they stand out from the crowd. First up, thumbnails. Thumbnails are the first thing viewers see, and they play a crucial role in whether someone decides to click on your video or not. These are like mini posters for your videos, so make them eye-catching. A great thumbnail can make all the difference. It should be visually appealing and give a hint about the content of your video. Use high-quality images and don't be afraid to get creative. Use bright colors, bold text, and intriguing images that make people want to click. Next up, titles. Your video title is another critical element. It needs to be compelling enough to grab attention but also accurate enough to set the right expectations. Your titles should be click-worthy and accurately reflect what your video is about. A misleading title might get you clicks initially, but it won't help in the long run, as viewers will quickly leave if the content doesn't match their expectations. Don't forget about those hashtags and descriptions. Hashtags can help categorize your video and make it more discoverable. Descriptions, on the other hand, provide context and additional information that can entice viewers to watch your video. Use relevant keywords that people are searching for and make sure your descriptions are clear, concise, and SEO-friendly. Keywords are the terms and phrases that people type into the search bar when they're looking for content. By including these in your description, you increase the chances of your video appearing in search results. Remember, optimization is an ongoing process. Keep experimenting and refining your strategy to see what works best for your channel. Chapter 6. Spreading the word. Promote your videos like a boss. Alright, you've got the content, you've optimized the heck out of it. Now it's time to get those views rolling in. First stop, social media. Blast your video links on every platform you can find. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, you name it. Engage with your viewers in the comments section. Respond to their questions, give them shoutouts, and build a community around your channel. And don't be afraid to reach out to other YouTubers in your niche and collaborate. Two heads are better than one, right? Chapter 7. Turning views into cash monetization and earning money. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for, making money. To unlock YouTube's money-making machine, you gotta hit a few milestones first. We're talking 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Once you've hit that magic number, you can apply for monetization and start earning through ads. But that's not all. You can also explore sponsorships, brand deals, affiliate marketing, or even sell your own merch or courses. The possibilities are endless. Outro, you got this, and there you have it, folks. Your step-by-step guide to becoming a YouTuber. Remember, it takes hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of creativity, but trust me, it's worth it. The YouTube world is your oyster, so go out there, make some noise, and show everyone what you've got. And hey, if you need any help with video ideas or want to take your channel to the next level, hit me up in the comments. I'm always down to help out fellow creators. Now go out there and make some epic content.